Assalamualaikum and hi to all Year 2 students. Today we are going to learn about shadow. Before we start, let's do a little bit of drilling. The first question is why light is important. Light is important to see things. And if we can see things, we can do activities such as doing homework, learning, watching television, eating, and so on. The next one is what is source of light? Source of light is an object that able to make its own light, such as fire, torchlight, and so on. You also need to remember that light is made up of 7 colors, the rainbow colors. And you also need to remember the keyword to remember all the 7 colors, which is VIP, G, yours. So V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. Now we are going to learn about shadow. Shadow is made when light is blocked. Blocks mean kena pumpan. So shadow ini terjadi bila cahaya kena pumpan. So the shape of the shadow should be similar with the object that is blocking the light. So for example, I have a torchlight and I switch it on. So it produces a light because torchlight is a source of light. So what happens if I put a ball in front of the light? The shadow will form. And what is the shape of the shadow? It is round, which is similar to the ball. Next example. So let's say I switch on my torchlight and Ali is standing in front of the light. So what happened? The shadow will form. But the shadow is different from the ball because it should be similar with the object that's blocking the light. So, who is blocking the light? Ali, right? So, the shadow should be similar with Ali. The next example, let's say if there is a cat standing in front of the light. So, the cat is blocking the light. So, the shadow will form. But how about the shape? So the shape of the shadow should be similar to the cat. By the end of the lesson, you need to understand and remember how shadow is made and what is the shape of the shadow. As I explained earlier, shadow is made when light is blocked. And what is the shape of the shadow? It should be similar to the object that's blocking the light. Now, try to do the exercise that I have given you and best of luck. Thank you for listening. Bye.